This wireless system is designed for global users. It supports 9 languages, including Chinese, English, Korean, Japanese, Russian, Spanish, Italian, German, and French. It connects with up to 4 wireless cameras and features blind spot. You can adjust the detection areas as needed, and in this demo, we are showing one active channel. Each channel's detection can be turned on or off independently. It records video using an SD card, up to 256 GB, and you can easily play back footage right on the screen. And finally, it supports multiple split-screen display modes, so you can keep an eye on everything just the way you like.